Hi YouTube friends, my name is Sophie Summers and welcome to the Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. Now, if you're anything like me, I spend quite a lot of time on YouTube looking for videos about certain information, maybe different products, or how to solve particular dilemmas. And that was one of the reasons why we initially started our channel, to help people out in the cross-dressing community with a little bit of help, advice, maybe some product reviews from time to time, so that you've got a little bit more, I suppose, specific information to help you out make decisions. And we hope that what we do produce is interesting and helpful to you. From time to time I do remember to sort of say, please subscribe to our channel and like the content. Now, one of the things about having a YouTube channel is that you're always looking for, I suppose, the inside track on how to get more subscribers and how to get sort of more viewers onto your channel. So you kind of go to the mainstream gurus who know everything about YouTube, and they all say you must keep doing this, you must keep doing that, you must ask people to subscribe. So I was just thinking, well, what's the benefits of subscribing really? And I hope I'm not going to be talking myself out of you possibly subscribing, but it did make me think. I know that when you press the sort of subscribe and the notification bell, you do get notifications of any new videos that we do. So if you do like our videos, obviously you get the sort of the heads up when a new one's being sort of released onto YouTube. But obviously there should be more that you should get from being a subscriber, really, because you're investing in us as a channel, or any other channel for that matter. So it got us to think here at Crossdressing Lifestyle. We thought, well, what could we give back? Now, we know that once you've subscribed to our channel, there is a community tab on our site or on our YouTube channel that allows us to communicate with you, with to give you additional information. And we thought, what a great idea, because we get a lot of giveaways, freebies from time to time, and we would like to give them back to you, our subscribers, as a way of saying thank you very much. Now, that's very good in principle, but how can we really do that? Well, one way is to obviously drop you a community email or a community video saying things that we have, competitions we have specifically for you, and offers. Now, one thing that we want to do instantaneously now is that anybody that is a subscriber to our channel, going forward from May, or the middle of May 2020, we're going to be doing a regular sort of updates through the community tab to give you back something. And the first thing we're going to start with is we're going to give the notification for, I think it's 25% minimum off a range of shoes and boots on our Trans Living site that only you will have a direct link to, and we're going to be putting that in the community sort of email we're going to send out fairly soon. And we've also got some sort of free samples that we're going to be giving out. So this is what we're aiming to do, to sort of say a thank you very much for actually, I suppose, subscribing to our communities that we're trying to build. So that's the reason why we believe that subscribing to our particular channel is worth it, because who knows, maybe every now and again you will be a winner of one of our competitions, or if you're lucky enough to get out in the draw, we'll be sending you freebies. We've done it before. We used to do free Fridays, and one or two of the people that hopefully are still subscribers with us were recipients of some of the wigs and the fans that we did that on, and we will be reintroducing that soon. But that free Fridays is only going to be open and viewable to our subscribers. So we are trying desperately through this channel to build a community for you, providing you with the best information possible. And if there's anything, and I mean anything, that you would like us to do a detailed video on that you believe would help the community out, please drop us a note down below. We would love to hear from you. So this is why I believe it's worth subscribing to us, and this is why we want to do a little bit of a video on, why should you subscribe to a channel. So thank you very much for watching. As always, stay safe, and the only thing that remains is to, should I say, please subscribe to our channel, having said all of that. So please stay with us, and as always, please stay gorgeous.